Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Infinix Smart 20 is not working. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your charger. After check your phone charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list and search Android and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Android. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not let us update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Infinix Smart 20 is not working. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.